Hey y'all, my name is Aaliyah, and today I'll be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So first off, I always start with my brows, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown with the angled brush that comes from her collection.
She drop it, well maybe so. She say I'll probably leave if she don't pop it. We'll never know, cause she get dying on it. Scrub the grind on it, with no shame. Give her time on it, roll a rind on it, do her thing. I ain't the type to trick.
So once I get done filling in my brows, I go in and conceal to like shape my brows and sharpen it in NYX with NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color 06. And I use an angled brush to like really just get in there and be as precise as possible, I guess, because I'll be looking at my brows and like I'm just a person that can't go without concealing their brows because I be drawing them on so sloppy just because I know I'm gonna have concealer at the end. So yeah, and then like you're gonna notice I get concealer on the brow, but I always just go back in with my pomade and yeah, just fill it in and sharpen the tail. Yeah. So that's what I do for now. And if the police coming then I'm running. And if I go to jail then my baby post a bail. Nigga, I ain't worried about nothing. She got some ugly ass ways. She don't look fine. She know how to blow my mind. She trapped it out for me like a night. So now I'm going in and using the same concealer I did for my to conceal my eyebrows, and then I'm taking a wet beauty blender and just blending it out. And I do this because this concealer makes my eyeshadow like not crease. And this is an everyday look, so I'm gonna do just simple neutral color eyeshadow, and this concealer is perfect for that. But the way you pop that pussy shit, I'm all up in it, tightly fitted. Bounce that ass up, gotta climb up the pole. If she ever hit the stage, I'ma be at her show. Cause she my favorite type. That bust it open, bust it, baby, but she ladylike. Oh, I'm talking head wraps and sundresses, heels for her flexing, ain't no time. So after I use the concealer, I go in with the Urban Decay Basquiat palette, and I use the colors Enigma and Levitation, which is a light and dark beige, and I mix them just to get a nice base because I'm not going to be putting on any eyeshadow color, and this is perfect for that. And I just use any type of blending brush. Now for the wing liner, I use the WYCON Cosmetics ink liner. It's a European makeup store, probably for America if you've never heard of it. It's based in Milan, so yeah, I never heard of it. But I love this stuff, and it just gives you a really nice, really clean wing. And I start from my outer corner and work my way in just to smooth it out. And it's a really thin line because I barely have eyelids, so I can't do it too thick. I got some issues I know that I can't hide. I tell my bitch that I love her, but I lie. I got some issues I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck calls on her. Now I'm going to take the NYX Retractable eyeliner in the color white and put it on my waterline and make it really bold, really bold, because I just love the way it looks. And you entertain me, always, baby. Get you in my bed, you leave so confused. Cause I fuck you so good, you be all up in your feelings. I make you nut, then you tell me that you love me. As soon as we done, you be throwing shit. So yeah, I do it on the other side. And then I take whatever mascara and do my lashes. Because I'm not wearing Fossies today. So now for the face, I use the Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal foundation in the color 111, and I blend it out. I'm turning up. I wonder what I was listening to. And also for foundation, I use the Bobbi Brows foundation brush, and I love this brush. This is the best brush. It's actually better than the Fenty Beauty brush, especially when you have hyperpigmentation and you need all the foundation you can get. It doesn't pick up. But now I'm using the same concealer I use for my eyebrows and eyelid, and it gives me a really bright under eye, and I really like that. I interchange my concealers, but today I just want it to be extra. So yeah, and I blend it out with a damp beauty blender. I pour up some new ones. Please do not take pictures, you doing too much. Fuck talking, I'll keep it. Now for contour, I'm using the Universal Stick Concealer from Kiko Milano in the color 8, and I do that on, I make triangles on my cheeks, and then I do it really lightly down my nose because I don't like a harsh nose contour. I don't put it on my forehead or anything like that, or like I don't make the 3 like Kardashian because it just doesn't work for my face shape. So to blend that out, I use a damp beauty blender, the same one, but I use like the butt of it. And blend it out. I tell my bitch that I love her, but I lie. I got some issues, I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck hoes on the side. I got some issues, I know that I can't hide. Cause I tell my bitch that I love her, but I lie. You say that you rolling, hoping that I notice. I know that it's sad how a nigga do. And you entertain me, always, baby. Get you in my bed, you leave so confused. Cause I fuck you so good, you be all up in your feelings. I make you nut, then you tell me that you love me. As soon as we done, you be throwing shit and crying like I had enough, yeah, yeah. I got some issues, I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck hoes on the side. And now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier loose setting powder in the color translucent and set my everywhere that I highlighted. I got some issues, I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck hoes on the side. Once I do that, I use my NYX HD finishing powder in the color banana to just sharpen the contour. Yeah, 20 women getting added to my roster every day. Now for blending, I take the Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer in the color light medium, and I mix that with the Cover Fix translucent powder in the Cover Deep just to finish off the face. Now I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner from Sephora, and it's in the color 17 Molasses. And I do it really, really, really thick, like towards the middle. And then I go in with my NYX Soft Matte Cream Lip Cream, and it doesn't have a color, but it's like a pretty pink. And now I just use any old mascara, travel mascara, for my bottom lashes. I tell my bitch that I love her, but I lie. I got some issues, I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck all on her. And to highlight, I use a gold color from the NYX Professional Makeup Love Contours All palette. And my brow bone, my cheeks, my nose, cupid's bow, all that. And for blush, I use the NARS blush in the color Liberte. Yeah, Liberte. And to kill the ashiness that the powders cause in my brows, I just go back in with the dip brow and darken it up. For the inner corner, I use the same highlight shade I used for the rest of my face. And hit the Uzi shoulder. Then I go in and I spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Let it set and hit the folds. And then I use the HD NYX Studio finishing powder to get rid of any shininess the spray may have caused. And to top off the lip, I use the Fenty Gloss Balm to finish the lip. Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called. I bet they say the same damn thing. Got niggas paying top dollar at a holler. Talking about that pretty brown frame. And I don't mean the Impala.